morning everyone, it's Gail with TradersHelpDesk, and these are some trades I'm in. They're from the binary signals, and you can actually see on the Aussie dollar we've come back to the ATR. We're overextended on the stochastics, and you're getting volume divergence here, and that simply means that sellers are stepping in, buyers have decreased, sellers have stepped in. The market should actually go down. That would be my anticipation. I shouldn't say should, but potentially go down. The next one is the British, no, let's go to the Euro yen. Give it just a minute and it will change. And this one you can see it's also at ATR, over extended on the stochastics, volume divergence, using the directional volume indicator. Again, it's pretty much the same as the Aussie dollar. And this is the British pound. Again, you see that we are at the ATR. You can also see that sellers are stepping in. As this high was made, sellers stepped in and they're beginning to take it down. And this is the USD-JPY. I did wait on the USD-JPY because we did not get volume divergence until here. And that's when I actually entered it for the 8 o'clock expiration. I do think this will go down. Now, what I want you to notice is that the risk on all of these, you could have used a $45 target. I actually went out of the money. So you can see this one is less than $40, about $32, $25, $32. And that's because price is kind of moving this morning, so it's not like watching paint dry on a wall. Now, I have not set any targets. You can see that right here. It's empty because I am watching these trades, and as they progress, I will decide whether to exit or to remain in the trade.